Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you this week. This is my weekly bullet journal setup in my citrus book bindery journal. So I'm still not doing great at keeping up with my bullet journal. I'm doing better than I have done previously. So for those of you that don't know, I have a citrus book bindery journal. It's a soft cover journal inside. And I've gone for these grey, blue and purple colours for my paper this time round, rather than the rainbow that I had previously. My theme for August is still nautical. I'm going to try and stick with this until the end of the month. This was my monthly setup. I have my first weekly, which I used one of the A5 bullet journal kits from my store. This was the weekly that never happened. This was the second weekly of August. I set it up and then, well, I half set it up and then didn't fill in or feel like filling it in, so I've just left it. I might stick some photographs from this week on this page just so that I know what kind of happened that week. This is last week's spread. This was a Dutch doll spread. I really like how this turned out, and I might do something similar this time round. I don't know that I need it to be as wide, although I can use those boxes. What have I got if I don't use the wider boxes? And I could cut them down, I guess. Okay, so what I did in my shop is I essentially printed out tons of nautical kits, different kits. So I used the A5 bullet journal kit for the first week. I had the monthly kit that I used, and this is left over from the monthly kit. I've got a sticky note and a couple of those kind of cute little boxes from the monthly spread. I used, and then I had the full kit, my new format full kit, which was this week. So I used the 4 boxes, date covers, and a couple of these boxes. But this is what's left of it. So I have this one with all this deco, some sticky notes, these third boxes, and a quarter box. I have little things and some quarter boxes, habit trackers. These I might use this week. I've got this one which has got these square boxes and these kind of headers. I have a couple more quarter boxes. I've got these washi strips, a weekly checklist, a weekend banner, and then I have all these half boxes. And then I also printed out a deco sheet, which could work quite well. I might actually quickly have a look and see if I can find some date covers. Okay, so I found these date covers. These are from my shop. I have got the white bright rainbow ones and the white frozen ones. The writing, you can choose between white and black. Most people tend to choose the black writing, so I got quite a few sheets with white on them. So I think what I'm going to do is use a mix of kind of this blue, the yellow, the orange, possibly the dark blue. This is meant to be a purple, it's quite dark. Maybe those ones, I don't know, I might mix and match and use those as my date covers for this week. I also think I might loosen it up a bit, and rather than doing the like the boxes, I might just draw a column, or maybe I mix it up completely and I go horizontal. I mean, what do I really need? Maybe that's what I do. I haven't done a horizontal for ages. So if I was to do horizontal, I split it into 8, because I don't want a day for Saturday and a day for Sunday. What did I put in the first one? My to-do list, I guess, in the meal plan. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change it. I'm going to go completely radical, and rather than sticking with this vertical layout, which is a layout I have used for years, I'm going to go for a horizontal layout. So how many down are there? Just talk yourselves whilst I count. Okay, so I've counted it down. There are 40 squares going down the page, which splits beautifully into 4 groups of 10. So I've put a little pencil line to help me out. I think I'm literally just going to draw a white line going across the page, and then work it out from there. But I think that might just be the easiest and neatest way of doing it. I don't think it needs to be. Well, maybe I could do like a wave, I guess, or like even a wavy line might work quite nicely. I'm just going to try it on like a piece of paper that I cut off from my Dutch door. I found these 2 jelly rolls. I'm just going to see how they look. Kind of a bit like a wave, I guess. Right, so I'm going to do like a wave type thing, so they're not going to be straight lines. I mean, they're not going to be straight anyway, even if I was attempting a straight line. But I'm going to use these 3, overlap them, and it will hopefully create that kind of wavy feeling that the rest of the kit has got. Right, so I'm going to start here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to use the top bit for like to-dos and my weekly list. So let's stick date covers in first. I'm going to go with a lovely blue Monday. Let's do Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Ooh, it looks a bit fuzzy on there. Come back into focus, camera. There we go. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's have, what have I got? I would like to have I'm going to have this as my mail list. So this can go here. And the days of the week in each of these. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There's my mail list. Now, I could use a little thing for my to-dos. Let's do that. Let's have this here. Okay, so this is my final spread. I forgot which weekly I was doing this for. So I have Bob and Lighthouse up in this corner, and I'll probably pop the date for the week up here. My to-do list for the week, my meal list for the week. Then we have Monday, and I've got a space for top 3 to-dos and kind of a main priority or event that's happening each day. So I know that my brother's down with my nephew, so we'll be spending some of the week with him. So I can probably pop those on here as to what we're doing. But I've got top 3 things to do each day, and I think I might cut these smaller ones, or these long ones. I cut them down to 3. Just have like a 3 checklist. I know we've got things like sorting out the girls' uniform this week because they go back to school soon. I've got the other checklist on. No, I might leave Sunday and just have it as a rest day. So that's it. I've got my weekend banner in. I'll probably add more decos throughout the week as I go, and my kind of Bob stickers to show bits and pieces, but that's it. It's a very different layout to what I've done previously. I'll see how it gets on. I'm quite excited to use a different layout. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Click the like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.